Hello children! In the previous video we have learned the chapter number 2 angles and we have even solved the practice set 2. Today we are going to solve the practice set 3. So children, before we start our video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell that you will get all the notifications of my videos. So let's start! So children, as you know, we are going to do the practice set 3. So according to the practice set 3, the question is given and from that we have to do our practice set 3, right? All the questions are also given here. According to that, we have to read this question, understand and then do a practice set 3. So let's read. Use the proper geometrical instrument to construct the following angles. So we have to use the proper geometrical instrument to construct the following angles. Use the compass and the ruler to bisect them. So what we have to use for this practice set 3, we have to use a compass. This is known as a compass. It is useful in drawing angles and it is coming helpful in this practice set 3, okay? And then ruler. Ruler is this, you know, right? A ruler. And one more thing is coming helpful in this practice set 3 is this protractor. Protractor is also a very helpful and useful thing. So it is coming helpful, okay? Ruler, okay? To bisect. Bisect means to divide into two parts, okay? So first question is of 50 degree. The second one is of 115 degree. The third one is of 80 degree. And the fourth one is of 90 degree. So we are going to do the first one. So let's do. So children, according to the practice set 3, I have written the question here and I have made you understand in the textbook behind, right? So I told you the meaning also and I made you explain also. And the questions also I wrote here. So the first one which we are going to do is 50 degree. So here I have written 50 degree. Now we will do the first one. So children, now first of all we have to draw the line. Okay, so I have drawn a line. Now what you have to do is, you have to take the protractor. Keep the protractor here, okay? You kept. Now what you have to do is, from 0 to 50 you have to count and measure and put a small point where 50 degree comes. So we are going to count. So count with me. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here came 50. Okay, so we are going to mark here 50 and now what you have to do is you have to take the ruler and make a line. So let's make the line. So children, now we have to make that line. Look, so we have made the line. Now you will put arrows. Okay, we will put arrows. Okay, now you have to name it. Yes, you have to name it. So name it with capital letters. Okay, so I am giving the name as A, B and C. Okay, so we gave name. Now what you have to do is, with the help of the compass, you have to make an arc. Okay, so how to make that arc I am going to tell you. Okay, so you just have a proper look that what to do. Okay, so we are going to make a arc. Here are two arcs but both are different. So let's see the first arc how it is. So children, now we have to make the arc. So look how I am making. Okay, you have to make the same arc like this. So we have made an arc. Okay. Now you have to name the arc as I am naming as PQ. So P and Q. Now I am going to tell you we have to make another arc by extending the compass. Okay. So we have to keep it here and we have to make an arc here because we can extend the compass, right? So first give the name capital letters. Keep this in your mind. I forgot to tell you that these are known as arrows or arrowheads. Okay. So we are going to extend it, the protractor, and then make another arc, but a different one. Okay, let's make that arc. So children, now we are going to make that arc. So we made one arc. Now we are going to keep it at P point. Okay, P point you kept. We are going to make another arc here, like this. So now can you see the difference between both the arc? Very good, because both are different, right? Now the point of intersection which we got, we are going to put a line here. Okay, the point of the intersection. Okay, we are going to put here. Okay, a line here, and then we are going to check. We are going to put the protractor. Not now. After drawing that line. Okay. So children, now we are going to make the line. Okay. So we have made the line. We'll put an arrow here. Okay. Okay, a small arrow I have put in. Okay. So we have done the bisecting of this. Okay. So now you have to name. Okay. PQ I'm giving here R. Okay. So now what you have to do is, so now when you do the half of 50, we get 25, right? So what will be the answer for this one? 25. So here also we will write 25 degree, and here also 25 degree. 25 plus 25, 50. Okay. Then first of all, you will take the protractor, and to confirm that it is a proper angle or not a proper angle, you need to check with the help of protractor. Now how to check, I am going to explain you. So children, you can see this, right? Okay, the angle here is 50 and here 25 became. Okay, so we have got the proper angle. So this is the way we check the angle. So we have done the first one. So I am putting a tick mark here that we have done the first one. Now we are going to do the second one, that is 115 degree. So I have written here 115. So we are going to do here. So let's do. So children, as you know, we are going to make the line first. Okay. So we made the line, and according to that, the protractor here, keep it at the end point. Then count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115. Okay, then we are putting a mark here. 115. Put it. Very good. What you have to do? Make a line with the help of a ruler. Make a line then. So children, make the line. Okay. So a proper angle, arrow or arrowheads, whatever you want to say. Okay. Then I'm going to name it as P, Q, and R. So we have given name. Now, as you know, we are going to make that arc. So make that arc. So children, make that arc. So we made that arc. Okay. Now what you have to do is, we have to name it, right? As I am giving AB, A and B. We gave name. Now we have to make another arc by extending the this compass. Okay. So we have to extend it and make. So let's do. Okay. So children, make that arc. So we have got that arc, right? Okay, so now what you have to do is, with the help of a scale and ruler, make that line. So make the line. So children, make that line. So we have made that line. You made that line. Now A, B and C I am giving a C. Okay, and 115, the half of it is 57.5 degree, and then 57.5. So I made that angle, and we are going to check it with the help of a protractor. Yeah, we have got the perfect angle. So it is right. So 115 half is 57.5 degree. 57.5. Now we are going to do the. Now we have done this. So we are going to put a tick mark for this one. Now we are going to do the 80 degree, less than 90. So let's do the 81. The third one. So children, now we are going to make the angle of 80 degree. So let's make. So children, now make the line. Okay. So you made. Now with the help of the protractor, we have to make this. What it is called, the marking we have to do. We have to count again from here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 came here. Very good. Now we are going to mark at 80 degree. We marked. Very good. Now we have to make the line. Okay. So children, make the line. So I am giving, now first make the arrowheads. Arrow or arrowheads, whatever you want to say. So now give name. I am giving name as LMN. LMN, here N. Now you know we have to make the arc with the help of the protractor. So we will make. So make that arc. Okay. Look properly and make the arc. Okay. Okay, the arc is done. Name it. Okay. Name it. So I am naming as ST. ST. Now from here we have to again keep the protractor, extend it up, and then make another arc, but different. Okay. Okay. Now make that arc. Made this one. Now keep at S point. Okay. Keep at S point and make the arc. Very simple. Now the line, the point of intersection which we got, we have to make the line. Okay. So children, make the line. Okay. So we have got a line and arrow. Now STU, I am giving here the name as U. And now when we take 80 degree, what is the half of 80? 40, right? So 40 degree and 40 degree. So now as I told you, we have to check. So keep it here. Yeah, look. We got, okay, we got the perfect angle here 80 and here 40. So our angle is perfect. Now the next one is of, now we have done this, so I am going to mark it. Now the last one is of 90 degree. So we are going to make the 90 degree. So let's make. So children, you know that we are making the degree, the 90 degree angle and bisecting it. So 90 degree, you know, it is a very simple for everyone. So the same thing which we did for everything, means for every angle. Now 90 degree, here it comes, and then make that line. Okay. So have a look. It is the perfect straight line. So make that arrowheads. Very good. And now as you know that it is a right angle, so you are putting here a square like this. Okay. Now we have to make the arc. So let's make. So children, we are going to name it. So X, Y and Z. Okay. Now that arc. Okay. Arc we have to make. So children, make the arc. You know, right? Very good. So we did, right? So we have to name here also. So I am giving L and M there. So L and M. Now that same arc we have to make by extending the protractor. So let's do. So children, now make it. Okay, that arc and keep it on L. Make another arc here. I'm doing it again. Okay. Once again. Okay. So it is a proper arc, right? Then the line one, you know, right? The line. So we have to make the line. So children, make that line. So you made that line, that and arrowhead. So L, M, N. Okay. So now we are going to, now if we take 90 degree, now what is the half of 90? 90 degree is 45, right? So we'll write 45 degree. Now to check, I'm going to give you example here. Straight 90 degree. Yeah, have a look. Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to show all the 4. Okay. So this is the first one, 50 degree. The second one, 115 degree. The third one, 80 degree. And the last one, the fourth one is 90 degree. Okay. So children, we have finished our second chapter, angles. So we have done with our chapter. Please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So children, I will meet you in my next video. Till that time, take care of yourself and bye-bye.